The fact that Ripple is still one of the top crypto tokens by market cap is impressive. It was sued in 2020 by the SEC for allegedly conducting an illegal securities sale, and that lawsuit is still pending now. But in a recent update to the case, may have finally brought the end of the saga into sight. Keep watching to learn everything that you need to know about the SEC's case against Ripple and where it stands today. A brief history of the SEC lawsuit. The SEC sued Ripple Labs in 2020 for conducting what it said was an unregistered and therefore illegal securities offering. In the United States, a security offering needs to be registered with the SEC before it can be offered to the public. At issue is whether or not XRP is a security. The SEC says that it is, and so Ripple Labs should have gone through the proper disclosure requirements before selling it to the public. Ripple Labs says that XRP is not a security but a crypto asset that is a commodity that doesn't need to be registered with the SEC before being offered to the public. The landmark Howey ruling by the Supreme Court says that in order for something to be a security, it must possess each of the following characteristics. 1. The existence of an investment contract. 2. The formation of a common enterprise. 3. A promise of profits by the issuer. And 4. The use of a third party to promote the offering. So basically, the SEC and Ripple Labs have been arguing about whether XRP meets those characteristics or not. The latest XRP versus SEC news. There have been two major updates in the SEC versus XRP court case that we'll cover in this video. The first is that the U.S. District Court has officially begun accepting amicus briefs. If you're not familiar with amicus briefs, these are essentially written legal arguments submitted on one of the parties' behalves, even though the person submitting the document has no direct connection to the case. Coinbase has already submitted an amicus brief in support of Ripple Labs and XRP. Other parties are likely to do the same. The result is that Ripple should benefit from receiving more substantive representation than it has up till now. Additionally, we've started to get the first hints of when the case might be resolved. The attorney for XRP holders has stated that a decision at the end of March 2023 is the best case scenario. This means that although it's not guaranteed, it's starting to look like we'll know the results of this case one way or another at some point next year. That's more than we could have said in the past, at least. Will Ripple win its case? The most important question on most investors' minds is whether Ripple will win its case against the SEC. That question is, of course, impossible to answer for the time being. However, there have been some positive signs. First, Ripple has been winning minor skirmishes in the courtroom, such as the judge giving the other parties the ability to submit amicus briefs. This could be an indication that the person deciding the outcome of the case is on Ripple's side. Additionally, according to an amicus brief submitted by Coinbase, the SEC may have violated its fair notice rule. This could mean that Ripple ends up winning the case and avoiding fines, even if the judge rules that XRP is an unregistered security. The bottom line is that we're just going to have to wait to see what happens next in the case in order to get a clear answer. But the outcome could have wide-ranging implications for the crypto ecosystem, and may impact how other projects behave moving forward. What do you think about the SEC's case against Ripple? Is it fair to call XRP a security? Or do you think Ripple Labs will take home the victory, and XRP will be able to continue moving forward with its mission unabated? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.